How to registration for affiliate Martcost. Search Martcost keywords on Google search engine. Click here and open Martcost.com official website. Scroll down and go to footer menu. After then click on Martcost affiliate program option. Now click here become affiliate. Enter your first name, and next, enter your last name, and next, enter your email address, and next, choose strong password, and next, enter payment email address. Next click on I am not robot, after then click on register button. Your request has been registered and it is awaiting administration approval. After some time refresh your affiliate page, or again log in affiliate account. Your affiliate registration has been successful. After then you can also log out. Join now, Digital Education Martcost.com. Go to store, www.martcost.com. And contact now, services@martcost.com.